We will continue from where we stopped in our previous video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so that you can always get our videos whenever we upload. So we will continue with example on modular arithmetics. So we have find the following numbers in their simplest form in modulo 4. So we want to find this number. We want to find A. We want to find 15 in its simplest form in modulo 4. So our 15, so solution. So our 15 in modulo 4 in its simplest form, that is going to give us our 15 will give us this is 3 times 4 plus 3. So our 4 will go in 15, that is 3 times, which we have here. So 3 times 4, that is 12. So from here, we are going to have 12 plus 3. Our 12 plus 3 will give us 15. So here, because 12 is a multiple of 4, so we need to forget everything about 12. So our answer now will now be 3 modulo 4. So that will be our answer. So because 12 is a multiple of 3, so we'll have to forgo it and we have to stand with our remainder. So also let us consider the second one, which is 102. So we have 102. 102. We want to find 102 in its simplest form in modulo 4. So if you are looking for 102 in its simplest form in modulo 4, so our 102, if we simplify this, we are going to have 25 times 4 plus 2. So we know that our 4 will go in 102 25 times and give us a remainder of 2. So our 25 times 4, that will give us 100 plus 2. So now our 100 is a multiple of 4. So we need to forgo our 100, and that is going to give us, our answer will now give us 2 mod 4. So that is going to be our answer. So when we are simplifying to a specific mode, what we need to do is we need to look at the multiples of that modulo that will go in the value that we are given. So if we get the value, we have to express it in the multiple of that number. So, and that is what we have done here. So from there, the remainder, which our modulo that we are working, our mode in which we are working, could not reserve for us, that is going to be our answer. So now let us take simplification. We want to take, in another example, we want to take simplification, and we will be considering addition of modulo arithmetics. So we can have we can add numbers together in a modulo, and we can also subtract a number in a modulo. We can divide a number in modulo. Also, we can add a number, we can divide, we can multiply, we can also subtract in any modulo that we are operating here. So we have 42 plus 28 mod 8 in mode 8. So what we are going to do here is a solution. So for our solution, we have 42. Our 42, we can simplify our 42 to mode 8 in the simplest form. And we can also simplify our 28 to mode 8 in simplest form. What is our 42? Our 42 is going to give us, our 42 is going to give us 5 is going to give us 5 times 8 plus 2. So our 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So from here, this is going to give us 40 plus 2. So remember what we have done in the previous class. So because 40 is a multiple of 8, we will have to forgo it and have to be with and have to have our remainder as our final answer. So our 42 in modulo 8 is the same thing as 2 mod 8. So from here now, we can also simplify our 28. Our 28 is going to give us that is 3 multiplied by 8 plus 4. 3 multiplied by 8 plus 4. And this is going to give us our 3 multiplied by 8, that is 24. And then plus 4. Our 24 is a multiple of 8. So 24 is multiple of 8. So in this case, we will have to forgo 24 and have 4 mod 8. 4 mod 8. So now we have tried to simplify 42 and also 28. So now if we are to have 42 plus 28, this is the same thing as what is our 42 in modulo 8 as simplified. Our 42 in modulo 8 as simplified is 2 plus what is our 28 in modulo 8? Our 28 in modulo 8 as simplified is 4. So now if we add this together, this is going to give us 6 mod 8. That is 6 mod 8. So our answer is going to be 6 mod 8. Let us take another example. Another example is simplify 58 plus 25 in modulo 5. We have simplify 54 plus 25 in modulo 5. We have 54 plus 25 in modulo 5. So if we are to simplify this, we have our solution. Our 54. What is our 54 in modulo 5? Our 54 in modulo 5, this is going to give us 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4. Our 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. 50 plus 4 is 54. So from here, this is going to give me 50 plus 4. Remember, our 50 is a multiple of 5, which is the modulo in which we are working in. From here, we are going to forgo our 50 and we are going to have 4 mod 5. And also for 25, our 25 in modulo 5, that is going to give us 5 times 5 plus 0. So our 5 times 5 is 25 plus 0. So our 25, because 25 is a multiple of 5 and we are working in modulo 5, we have to forgo 25 and we are going to have 0 mod 5. So from here we are trying to add, we are trying to find the addition of 54 and 25 in mod 5. This is going to give me 54 plus 25. And our 54 in modulo 5, that is 4. Plus our 25 in modulo 5, that is 0. So if I add this together, this is going to give me 4 mode 5. So my answer is going to be 4 mode 5. So that is how to find the addition in any given modulo. Thank you for watching our video. We will continue from here in the next class.